Hey K-pop warriors, I'm MIRA from Huntrix, pulled through a time rift to meet a legend in South Korea. Secrets of the past are waiting. Join this respectful journey. Hit play now.
These statues will honor MIRA and a legendary warrior.
The heat must be perfect for both their spirits.
They're alive with their essences now. Finished! I am so proud of this piece. The details and the colors came out perfectly. Look at MIRA riding that mighty horse. Her spirit soars.
Let's see if the market loves her as much as I do. Thank you, it's a tribute to her strength.
What's happening to the statues?
Where am I? This feels ancient. Who dares stand before me? I'm MIRA, a hunter from another time. Could you be my lost master?
Perhaps our fates are linked, young hunter.
Together, we'll end this.
Strike with honor.
We're back. But where?
A place of peace, perhaps our destiny.
These statues are amazing.
They might be ancient relics. These runes are extraordinary.
My statues. They're here.
I'll make a smaller version of her. This resin will preserve her perfectly.
It's ready for the world.
I must have this.
It's a piece of history. Found one in the box.
You're back, Master.
Our bond endures.
MIRA's story becomes South Korea's heritage.
That was amazing. My adventures are just starting. Stay tuned for surprises. Subscribe now. Let's create something incredible together, honoring every story. What's next? Let's find out. It's bloopers time.